Okay, guys, this is Positive Trading with you. What a carnage. What's happening in the markets? This is crazy. Well, not totally unexpected. Right now, I'm looking at Kaspa chart on MEXC, Kaspa against USDT. All we did is here, take a look with me. This is a monthly chart. All we did is we filled this monthly candle fair value gap. You can see here a huge gap. Right now we filled it 100% or maybe 95%. And this wasn't unexpected. Price moved sharply. It has to come back down. It's better now than after some time, because once you reach, let's say, 30, 40 cents or even a dollar in the future, and then it comes crashing back down like Bitcoin did in its early years, that would be little bit sad. So it's good we did that, and slowly it can consolidate here. It's a good buying opportunity if you believe in the project, which I do. And obviously we filled this fair value gap. Now huge support zone in here. I think we can consolidate for a little bit longer period of time and start moving back up. Of course, with the whole market, let's take a look at COINMARKETCAP. The whole market is on red. Forget these little greens, because this is a recovery green from yesterday. Because at midnight, where I am at, I got stopped out from all of my positions. Now I need to reopen new positions. Look at this fear and greed, and extreme fear in crypto market. And this is absolutely crazy. It's 15. It has been like this probably in the FTX days for a brief moment, but this in a bull market for Bitcoin. Well, altcoins, they have not seen a bull market. I want to be clear. They have been in a bear market and a recovery phase, but they couldn't successfully recover. So Bitcoin dominance took over. Now, as you can see, slowly. Well, yesterday we reached 62% plus. Now we're coming back down slowly. Maybe we'll just fill this gap somewhere about 61.30, 61.20, and stay here until we completely collapse. But I don't know when it's going to happen. We need the quantitative easing for that, guys, because from the charts, Bitcoin is sucking up a lot of liquidity right now. And I was looking at a couple of things. Actually, one of my favorite YouTuber was mentioning about the Kaspa website, and I started noticing. Actually, I'm not a web developer, or I'm not a developer of any kind. And since he mentioned it, actually, I compared Kaspa website with other blockchains and their websites like Algorand and Solana. Man, Kaspa is so dull and dry. And he was suggesting that he will make a new website to let them see, and if they're gonna change it, anything in here, that would be nice actually. uh, let's see. Let's see how it rolls out. But I want to show you something, guys. Not this one, but this one. Bitcoin net outflows has been steady, but there is no net inflow for ETFs for the past few days. Ever since ever since here, the last one was what, like February, end of February 28th, all the way until now, we haven't really seen a good inflows. We saw on the 5th of March a little bit here, and I think here, see, ever since then, we have been on a outflow basis. We need the Bitcoin ETF inflows to come back and start buying Bitcoin, and that gives a little bit of hope to broader crypto market. Because right now what I see, uh, even Kaspa or any coin that you like, we can check near, for example, it stopped me out last night. Look at it. Who would have thought, right? Who would have thought that we'd go to these price levels? If, in Kaspa itself, who would have thought that we would go as deep as we did in a very short period of time. Well, we expected that we would come down. Eventually, we have to fill that fair value gap on the monthly. It's almost like a huge vector candle, but I didn't think it would be now. I thought it would be somewhere once we completed a full bull market moves. I guess altcoins weren't even in a bull market to begin with. So yeah, that I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on. You gotta stay safe out there because people are getting liquidated and stopped out left and right. Even though the chart is hugely oversold, look at this. This is on the, let's go to the daily chart. Look at it. This is on the daily. Have you ever seen it this low? I am sure a pump is due. I'm sure pump is due. We have to at least retest. We have to at least retest this zone. See this huge gap right here? Let me show you. In Kaspa, we have to, this area, we have to go and retest it and see and decide what's going to happen after, because it's not going to just stay like this. It has to retest. People will open brand new shorts and then maybe come back down. Depends. It might do something like this and then decide if it want to go here, fill this gap, and then go up again. But it has to retrace slight a bit, because I think right now funding rate for shorts are huge and longs got completely decimated. Yeah, you can see my trend lines. It has been playing out, although I'm expecting as I said, a retest. Maybe this is a temporary bottom. Hopefully, yes, it could be. But yeah, stay safe out there, guys. Give a like, subscribe to this channel. Let's grow the Kaspa community. Support all the Kaspa YouTubers if in case you have the time, because that will help the Kaspa community to reach out to more people. There are very few content creators that are constantly creating Kaspa content. So yeah, see you guys and stay safe out there.